Hello everyone, my name is Karthik R. I'm here to present my presentation on internship experience at 3Q Sutantra LLP under the guidance of Professor Yashaswini ma'am. Contents of this presentation includes these topics. Now, let us know more about the company. I interned at 3Q Sutantra LLP from 1st March 2021 for a period of 1 month. 3Q Sutantra LLP is an Indian IT company established in the year 2020 with an objective to provide product and services in the area of information technology and ICT education. Its headquarters is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Services provided by the company is networking, software development, cloud operation, DevOps, and IoT. Coming to actual work done, in the company, I was a part of web development program. Since I had a prior knowledge of PHP and MySQL, I was offered a role of backend development intern, where along with my team, I planned, designed, and built the complete backend architecture along with the database for a real-time website. The real-time website was online lawyer appointment booking website. So the core technology stack included PHP and MySQL for database. Also, I got hands-on experience on HTML, CSS, jQuery, and Ajax. Coming to the skills acquired, the technical skills I acquired is PHP, MySQL, jQuery, HTML, CSS, Git, and Ajax. I Before this internship, I didn't knew how what is version control, and how it is works, and how it helps the developer. During my internship, I got to learn Git, and I also learned how it helps the developers. Also, I got to know how through Ajax how the asynchronous server request can be done. And coming to the non-technical skills that I incorporated is problem-solving skills, teamwork, work ethics, adaptability and communication skills, responsibility and time management. Coming to benefits, it helped me in career exploration. Even though there are many areas within technology, through this internship, I got to know that web development suits me the most. So it helped me in career exploration. Coming to my resume enhancement, as I worked on a real-time project, it is an add-on to my resume, and it also helped me in developing leadership skills. Also, it helped me in networking with the people. Also, it helped me in establishing mentors and references. This is my internship certificate.